Hey, what's up everyone, it's Isaac here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's videos Eunwoo hairstyle. 오, 이거 남자 잘생겼다. Okay.
Before the hairstyling, you need 2-block cut.
Almost 99% Korean idol they have this haircut. If you want to learn about what is 2-block cut, so please check out my other tutorial, alright? I just do the 2-block cuts for my models, then I just make them to look K-pop idol. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. What are you waiting for? Just go to shampoo. 仲唔快啲去洗頭? First, go to rinse or shampoo to reset your hair. Hey, just like this. Are you ready? Before the blow dry, you need to apply to P styling hair product, then apply on the top.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Right now, use your hands to comb a 6-fold hair parting, just like this. Hey, you see, my parting is so natural, right? Super natural. Oh yeah, baby. Hey guys, in this part, let's follow my blow dry directions. Alright? Blow dry upward for the front. Right now, let's apply the high heat to create the volume for the both sides.
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking.
Because we need some more volume for the front, so we need to apply the heat to create the volume for the front, just for 5 seconds. Then just use the cold air to fix the volume, just like that. Can't you see the magic? I think if you can't see anything, I suggest you need to see the doctor. Ha 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 ha. Hey guys, after the blow dry, don't forget to use the straight iron. Right now I'm going to do the C-curl for the ends. Don't ask me why we need to do the C-curl because right now I'm going to show you how to copy his hairstyle. Hey man, don't be lazy. Let's go.
I just need to. I just need to clear my. I just need to. I just need to clear my. I just need to. I just need to clear my. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head.
Actually, we need to add more volume for the front. So you need to create the C-curl from the root to the ends.
Yeah, we gon' live, we gon' fight, off the cliff, take a dive, swing and miss, feel alive, get back up, we gon' thrive, never stop, living life, take it off, take a dip at night, pretty girls, pretty sights, city girls and city lights, here I go, I'm gonna reach for the stars, I'm gonna reach to go far, you already know, I've had a couple of scars, they remind us who we are, take me away, off to a much better place, off to a much better state, take me away.
Just imagine your hand like a magic brush. Hey guys, never thinking about to use any hair comb or brush to brush your hair. Let's use your finger. Everything just finger work.
Hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky. Get your feet off the ground. Now put your hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky. Get your feet off the ground. Making a stack, then I'm making a rack, and I give it all back to the people who lack. Got me me on fleek, no, you got me on flack. Start all the beef, then you take it all back. Didn't believe, now you see me on track. Keep up with me, cause I never look back. Used to know me, but I'm not like my past. Reinvent me like you wish that you had, let's go. I just wanna touch the sky, west coast. I just wanna feel alive, I know the way I wanna feel inside, and I go living through the painful nights, but I know I'm coming out the other side, and I know I wouldn't want another life. Oh no, I love who I am inside, and I'ma live today like any day can die, yo.
Oh yeah, now wouldn't that be nice? And when you need to revive, just take a deep look inside. Now put your hands up high like you ain't coming down. Go on and touch the sky, get your feet off the ground. Now put your
Finally, we need to add more volume and create some texture for the top. And always look at the mirror when you do the hairstyle. Oh my god, so handsome. When you finish everything, don't forget to use the stronghold hairspray. 去嗱嗱聲換返件衫先。
We come as one.
Wow, we just finished. Am I told you? Hair transformation complete. Hey, I hope you guys love these videos. If you love these videos, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell. Make sure that never miss my new videos. If you want to send us some support to support us to create some more useful, funny videos, just click here. And I was so happy that to see you guys to be Issac family. Just join the membership. Alright, see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. What are you waiting for? Just go to shampoo. 仲唔快啲去洗頭？